cheerful morning, happy morning to all my lovely students. How are you? Fine. And आपकी पढ़ाई? That's also going मस्त ना? Oh, you have completed your whole course. Oh, very nice. Any doubts, my dear? You are free to call your Anjali ma'am if you are having any doubts. Okay. So today, what's today's topic? Yes, we'll be doing reading of model question paper of subject English. Isn't it your favorite subject? No? So are my students set for reading of model question paper? So are my dear students set for reading of model question paper? First of all, we'll go with the instruction. Write in clean, neat and legible handwriting. That means it should be readable. बहुत गंदा गंदा नहीं लिखना है, आराम से अच्छा राइटिंग लिखना है. ठीक है, जल्दी जल्दी नहीं करना है. डोंट हरी अप. हाँ, जल्दी से पेपर फिनिश करना है. नो, यू हैव टू थिंक आंसर एंड राइट इन नीट हैंड राइटिंग. राइट द आंसर इन द क्वेश्चन पेपर इटसेल्फ. आपको आंसर अलग से सप्लीमेंट शीट में नहीं लिखना है. यू विल बी राइटिंग ऑल योर आंसर्स इन पेपर इटसेल्फ. एंड राइट द फॉलोइंग डिटेल्स, नेम एंड डेट इन योर आंसर शीट. जिसमें आप लिख रहे हैं उसमें अपना नाम एंड डेट यू हैव टू मेंशन. And yes, the photo and the PDF of the answer sheet you have to send on the day of the paper itself. Suppose today's English exam, so today you will be sending the Photoshop by 8 p.m. or you can send before 8 p.m. also. Okay, so my dear students, are you clear with this instruction? Okay, now we move further with the question answers. Take the correct answer. Who sleeps in the heart of the seed? Tree, little plant, sunshine. Okay. हर बार की तरह इस बार भी you will be getting question number 1. Take the correct option. Second is the children notice a kite falling from a house, the sky or the ground. You have to tick only on the correct option. And the next one is use the words given in the box and fill in the blanks. Frightened, mango, shoebox, wind. And my dear students, you have to use these words to fill in the blank. Answer मैम नहीं बताएंगे. That you have to do. The granny brings dash from the house. The man wraps the coat around himself tightly because the dash is strong. You know very well. And the third one is answer the following questions. What did the elephant tell the mouse? You will be writing the answer. See, sufficient space is given to you. So, you will be using this space to write the answer in very neat and clean handwriting. Next is, what is the first thing you must do before you cross the road? Question number 2 is this, and you will be writing the answer on your own. Question number 4 will be do matching, match part, think, read and then do the matching. I'll read for you. Mouse and next is squirrel. Do not copy him. Come with me, I will find bananas for you to eat. Okay. Complete the verse from the poem. What makes? See, you have to complete the poem. Given lines, 5 lines you have to write from the poem and you will be writing over here. Okay. Complete the paragraph about my mother with the words given in the box. See students, you have to fill this passage given with the help of these given words in the help box. आपको इनकी मदद से you have to complete this passage on my mother. So the passage writing will be question number 6 for you. Question number 7 is combine the underlined words. The top of a hill and next is a carriage drawn by a horse. My dear students, what you have to do over is, जो ये underline वाले words हैं, you have to combine them and you will get a new words and you will be writing over here. Combine the underlined words. That will be question number 7 for you. And the question number 8 is, fill in the blanks with the correct doing words. See, all the words are given to you. Only with this help box, only you have to fill in the blanks with the correct doing words. This will be your question number 8. Who am I? I rise in the east. I am very hot. So you have to think, identify and write the answer in the blank. Next is, I am very sweet and juicy. I am called the king of fruits. You will be writing over here. ठीक है बेटा, आपको समझ में आया? And the name and the phone number will be provided to you in the paper. You will be sending your paper to the concerned teacher only. So this was your reading of model paper. Okay, I hope you have got the clear idea how you will attempt the English paper. ठीक है बेटा? So if you have any problem, do call me. God bless you. All the best.